Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at your country's flag and thought, what does this actually mean? Sure, it's just colors and shapes, but behind every flag is a story of freedom, identity, and sometimes straight up revolution. Today, we're breaking down the meaning and symbolism of some of the world's most iconic flags. Let's dive in. Segment 1: The Power of Symbolism. Flags aren't just designs, they're powerful symbols. A country's whole identity, history, and values packed into a few colors and shapes. Common meanings: red equals courage, blood, or revolution. White equals peace or purity. Green equals nature, Islam, or growth. Black equals resistance or remembrance. As stars, crescents, shields. These aren't random either. Now let's travel the globe and decode some national flags. Segment 2: Country Flag Deep Dive. United States, 50 stars equals 50 states. 13 stripes equals the original colonies. Red for valor, white for innocence, and blue for justice. Simple, yet powerful. Japan, a red circle for the rising sun. The symbol dates back centuries and reflects Japan's poetic name. Nihon, the origin of the sun. Pakistan, Kabzistan, green for Islam, white for religious minorities. The crescent represents progress, and the five-pointed star stands for light and knowledge. A flag rooted in faith and unity. Algeria, AT, split into green and white, green for Islam, white for peace. The red crescent and star, symbols of sacrifice and resistance during the War of Independence. Turkey, red background symbolizing bravery, sacrifice, and Ottoman legacy. The crescent moon and star, ancient symbols, now representing Islam and Turkish identity. China, red for the revolution. The big star represents the Communist Party, and the four smaller stars are the people, unified under the party. It's all about hierarchy and unity. India, saffron for courage, white for peace, and green for prosperity. The navy blue wheel in the center, the Ashoka chakra, symbolizes eternal law and progress. South Africa, a bold Y design. 6 colors, none dominant, showing unity after apartheid. It's a visual representation of the rainbow nation. Mexico, an eagle devouring a snake atop a cactus, right from Aztec mythology. Green for hope, white for purity, red for the blood of those who fought for freedom. Norway, cos for Christianity, with red, white, and blue, showing ties to liberty and democracy inspired by the French and American revolutions. Nepal, the world's only non-rectangular flag. 2 stacked triangles for the Himalayas. The moon and sun show permanence and national pride. Bhutan, a white dragon holding jewels. Yep, that's the thunder dragon, symbolizing power and wealth. Orange equals Buddhist spirituality, yellow equals monarchy and authority. Mozambique, AK-47, Yaon, Ho, Yaon. Open book, resistance, agriculture, and education. A rare modern flag that features a weapon reflecting the country's fight for independence. United Kingdom Hide. The Union Jack blends 3 older flags. The Red Cross of England, St. George. The White Saltire of Scotland, St. Andrew. The Red Saltire of Ireland, St. Patrick. It's unity through history, though not without controversy. Canada, a single red maple leaf on a white field with red bars. It symbolizes unity, nature, and Canadian identity. Fun fact: the leaf has been a national symbol since the 1700s, and the current flag only became official in 1965. Segment 3: Why Flags Matter. Flags aren't just about colors, they're emotional. They've flown over revolutions, parades, sports victories, and national tragedies. A flag tells the story of a country's past and hopes for its future. Change the flag, and you change the story. Just ask South Africa or Canada. So yeah, that piece of fabric, it means something. So what's your favorite flag? Or what does your own country's flag mean to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to feature your country in the next episode. And hey, if you learned something new, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Other. See you next time for more deep dives into symbols that shape our world.